Hello, and thanks for stopping in. We believe your family's safety and home security is a top priority. We install wireless home security systems and provide remote alarm monitoring services that are surprisingly affordable and proven to help protect both people and property. Property crimes, including burglary, are a common part of the news throughout the United States. Doing what you can to keep your family and property safe and secure is important. Monitored alarm systems are helping protect thousands of your neighbors 24 hours a day, every day. We offer home security systems and monitoring in most of the towns and cities across the U.S. A new home security system, monitored by an industry leader, will help you and your family feel safer in your home and can help prevent you from becoming a victim of crime. To find out how affordable and easy it is to get a monitored home security alarm system installed, contact us today. You'll enjoy increased peace of mind knowing your home security system is being monitored whenever you choose to activate it.